Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name is Gina and today we have a Stitch Fix. Oh, we love the Stitch Fix. It's so nice. It's like a little box of happy for us clothes obsessed people. I'm not really clothes obsessed, I just like having a variety. This is driving me crazy. Oh my good gracious, y'all. The days I've had. So Stitch Fix, let's go back to Stitch Fix. It is a try before you buy clothing subscription. They give you what I think is reasonably priced clothes. Now they do have tiers, so you could, low tier, medium tier, high tier. I'm in the low tier. Great quality of clothing for what I have come to think is the best price for all the boxes out there for the quality of clothes you're getting. You have 3 days to try on your 5 pieces that are custom picked for you. If you keep everything, you're going to get 25% off. Your styling fee is $20. That is credited back to you. If you keep anything after you've been subscribed for a while, they might offer you a styling pass, which is what I do. It's $49. That is credited back to you. And then for the rest of the year, you don't have to pay the styling pass. What else? Oh, if you want to try this box, I do have a referral link below. That will give you $25 of credit to use with Stitch Fix. So yay for that. My stylist is Jewel. We've been working together for a while. I think she does a very good job. We're going to open this box. Yay. This is the one I look forward to the most, y'all. I mean, some of the other boxes I enjoy, but this one, it just seems like I tend to get 5 for 5s where I want to keep the entire box, which isn't always best for my budget, but man, is it fun. So, this is what it looks like on the inside. They do give you an envelope. It's already addressed. Anything you want to return or exchange, you put in here and send back. It's through the post office, and oh dear. Yeah, we may have a problem. Jewelry. Empty jewelry box. Empty jewelry box. We're going to have to find that jewelry. I hope it's in here somewhere. Oh, hello envelope. And my bundle. Oh, good. They're in here. They just came out. They came out of the box. So, sneak peek at the bundle. Now we get to fix the earrings because, yes, they did fall apart. But they're super cute. Hang on, let me hold it the right way. Now, all that happened was this came off of this. It's an easy fix. If I can... And then give that a squeeze. Easy fix. Not even worth telling them that it happened. But they're very cute. I love these that, they're interesting. They're appealing to me. So let me get into my paperwork and then we'll talk about that. My oh hello envelope. I just wanted to make sure they were in there. Oh hello. Now in here, this is going to give you your note from your stylist, and it gives you options on how to style the pieces, which I think is super cute. Let's see what Jill said. Hello again, Gina. Welcome back for fix number 43. Thank you for picking out a few new pieces to add to your January styles. As the new year kicks into full swing, let's pack your closet full of timeless pieces that have a modern twist. Transition effortlessly from work to weekend and will help build the dream mix and match wardrobe you're looking for. For a layering casual style, you can try wearing your Bobo cardigan from your previous fix over the Foundist beige knit top and with the long necklace to accessorize. You can also wear that top with the Bancroft gold silver earrings and a pair of black or dark brown pants. I'll be looking forward to hearing about which of these items you love as well as where we can improve in your next selection. Do you have any wardrobe revitalizing requests for the new year? Take care, XO Jewel. I don't know. Do we have any revitalizing tips, suggestions? Comment below if you do. All right. And then on this one, it's going to be your price sheet. So my total for everything that's in here is $214. Then if I kept everything, I would get that discount, which would bring me to $160.50. I do have a promotion or credit, so thank you so very much. Whoever used my link, that would bring me to $135.50. So, let's look at the earrings since we've already gotten a look at them. These are, they say Magnolia Grace on here, but they say Bancroft Rafealla circle earrings, gold and silver. Gold and silver? Do y'all see gold and silver? Maybe it's the way they're tinted. I don't know. $30, which isn't horrible. I feel like I could get the same set of earrings somewhere else for maybe 10-15 bucks. But, I mean, not too bad. If I was not gonna, didn't want to lose a styling fee, this might be the way to go. All right, bundle. Bundle your car insurance lady just popped into my head. Watched a lot of TV while we were, you know, at the hospital with Dad or waiting, you know, sitting around hoping everything was going to be okay. All right, so here's my other 4 pieces. My first one is the Fortunist Los Angeles. This is the Kent side ruched knit top in beige extra large. Side ruched. I don't. Oh my gracious. I promise you that is what that thing says. This says Kent mock neck knit top. This says Kent side ruched knit top. I don't know. Anyway, this tier top is $44. I think it's cute. You know, I love a ribbed top. It does have a high neck, which I don't always love, and it does look like it would be a little short, but it has a nice silhouette to it. And it does have a longer sleeve on it. Not long sleeve, but you know what I mean? A longer short sleeve, which is good for, you know, hiding that. Let's see what it says on the inside. It's 75 polyester, 20 rayon, 5 spandex. Machine wash cold only with wash with light colors, wash inside out, do not tumble dry. Flat dry for best results, warm iron if needed. Okay. So it's cute. It's not blowing me away, but it's cute. It's pretty. I like the color. It is very, very soft. This is the Kaileigh, from Kaileigh. It's the brand. It also looks short. What's up with the neckline here? Very cute, long sleeve. I don't know, kind of interested in this neckline. Ivy off shoulder knit top, burgundy extra large, $42. I mean, it's interesting. Long sleeve. You know, I like the off-the-shoulder stuff. I think they look great on me, but I don't tend to reach for them as much because I have to wear the special bras with them. And, you know, I'm trying so much stuff on that, it's just easier to wear something that's not off the shoulder. 62 polyester, 34 round, 4 spandex. Hand washed, cold separately. Flat dry, warm iron if needed. Okay. Interesting. we'll see. We'll see how it goes. Next is 41 Hawthorn. This is the Jenni Surplice Wrap Knit Top, dark gray, extra large, $48. I do like a wrap top. I think they lay nicely on me. They are flattering. This one's long sleeve. Now, the gray is kind of just a meh for me, but I could see it looking good with maybe a colored blazer, cardi, something like that over the top of it, or even a pair of colored pants. I don't know. We'll find out. 48 rayon, 48 polyester, 4 spandex, machine wash cold with light colors, gentle cycle, lay flat to dry, low iron if needed. Last piece. It's a chunky monkey. And it is Fortune and Ivy. This is the Raiden Tap Detail Cardigan in burnt orange, extra large. It's $50. I get a lot of the burnt orange stuff. Now, I remember picking this. I was actually sent this maybe in an off-white at one point, and I didn't keep it, but I kind of wish I had, because I thought this was a cute little detail. And I think I would have wore the fire out of it. And I'd probably wear this color too. I'm just getting a lot of it in my closet. So I feel like maybe I should venture out in my color. But it is very cute. It is a little on the thick side. You see the different detail at the bottom. I wonder if I can find that. This is 68 acrylic, 30 polyester, and 2 other fiber. I wonder what that other fiber is. And then it's got an extra button attached over the wash instructions. Wash inside out, machine wash cold with light colors, gentle cycle. Do not wring or twist, reshape, dry flat, cool iron on reverse side if needed. I think it's cute though. I don't know. I feel like there's some intriguing pieces in here. I don't know if I'm absolutely blown away by any of it, but interested. What do y'all think? Did you like it? Did you not like it? I've got a broken nail and it's driving me crazy. So I'm going to show you what I'm wearing today, then I'm going to try on this stuff for you. You can tell me what you think, what you like, what you don't like, what I should keep, what I should send back. And we'll come back after I try everything on and talk about it. So I'd really love it if you would give this video a big thumbs up if you like it. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Subscribing to my channel is free and I appreciate it so very much. And if you would like to subscribe to Stitch Fix, don't forget to use that link below to get your $25 credit. Don't forget to tell your friends about the channel, share with your friends, press that notification bell, and if you want to donate, there's 2 ways to do it. You can press the super thanks below, or you can go to buymeacoffee.com and go to Unbox by G. Thank you so very much. If you do either of those, I'll see y'all back in a minute. So this is my outfit of the day. I'm wearing these flying monkey denim, funky, big, wide legs. I'm wearing, oh, where did I get this cardigan from? I think it's Stitch Fix. And then just a little graphic tank underneath. I think I got that from Wannable. My jewelry is Kendra Scott from Box. Let's try some clothes on. So I don't know if it's just me today or what, but I'm not even finding this as flattering as I normally would. You can see where the jeans stop. Maybe if I was wearing a different jean that fit me a little better. I don't know. I think it's okay. It's just not a big win for me. And maybe if I ruched them a little more. I don't know. Yeah, what do y'all think? So I think this looks cute, but you remember when I read it to you and it said 2% other fiber? I think that 2% is wool, because this thing is itchy on my bare skin. I think it's a great style, but if you have any kind of sensitive skin like I do, this top might not be great for you, or this cardi anyway. it irritates me, but I think it's adorable. And I didn't remember that about the last one. Oh, I'm gonna have to stop filming soon. I can't keep from yawning. Now this top, oh gracious, y'all. It's skin tight. It makes a great undershirt. And like I said, this short sleeve does hide the wings very nicely. But you just have to want it to be short. Now, if I was wearing it with some pants like this, I think I could get away with it and not be super, super self-conscious. I probably won't keep it, but it's super stretchy. It's super soft. This, I can't even feel it up there, which is really shocking to me because normally this stuff would be driving me crazy. It's not bothering me. I don't know how that is happening, but it's not. So, let's try on that last top. This one's cute. I mean, you got the cheeky shoulder. You've got a nice burgundy. It's got a little bit of a flop to the sleeve. Let me show you. I had my bra on, so I was covering it with my hair. I actually kind of like this one. And with the right bra that wouldn't, you know, show, I think it would be a great little go out or hang around or whatever you wanted to do kind of top. It's very soft. So this one, I do kind of like this one. Yay! All right, let's do a recap. All right, we're back. Now I have to make decisions. I'm not good at making decisions. Decisions are hard. Who made the decision that I need to make decisions? I mean, yeah, because they need to think twice about that. I'm not good at the decision making. All right, let's see. What do we got going here? This was very soft, very stretchy. I liked the sleeve length, but it was very tight. I could do it as an undershirt, but I don't think I want to pay the price for it just as an undershirt. How much were you? $44? Yeah, it's going to go back, y'all. It's just going to go back for that price. It was like 15, 20 bucks. I might have kept it for an undershirt, but I don't need that one. I just don't need it. This one was too itchy. Yeah, I can't do the itchy. I have such sensitive skin. It is insane. So this, although I like the style of it, I can't do it. So it's going to go back. I didn't think this one was very flattering on me either. I don't think, I don't know. Hang on, husband alert. This shirt, I don't know what it was about it that I didn't love. I just didn't love the way it hung on me. It's okay, it's just not for me. So it's gonna go back. So that leaves us the earrings, which I do think are cute. Or the one shoulder shirt. Which one should I keep, y'all? How much was this? The off the shoulder burgundy top is $42 or the earrings is $30. So I'll either keep this one and send the earrings back, or I'll keep the earrings and send this back. I can't decide which one I would rather do. I'm kind of leaning towards this shirt. It didn't have any funny instructions to it. What are you doing, Bonnie? Can you not get out? She's like, I'm stuck. I'm stuck because all the boxes are blocking my path. I can't get to my daddy. Here you go, babe. There you go. Now you can get to your daddy. Yes, I am pitiful. The cats have me under their thumb. Or dewclaw, as it may be. Anyway, y'all comment below. Let me know what you think I should keep, the shirt or the earrings. I really appreciate y'all spending a little bit of time with me today. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Y'all, God bless.